This module serves as an introduction to the fundamentals of clinical research data management. We will explore the core concepts of research data collection strategies, the best practices involved in designing effective data collection methods, and how these strategies are applied in real-world clinical studies. You'll also get an overview of the course structure, learning objectives, and the tools you'll use. Course structure and key concepts. Welcome to Data Management for Clinical Research. Over the coming weeks, you'll gain practical, hands-on experience in managing data within clinical research environments. This course will empower you to understand the key elements of data management, data collection techniques, and how they support successful clinical trials. Course overview. In this course, we will break down data management processes into manageable tasks. You will learn how to design data collection tools, organize data, and ensure quality control in clinical research. Target audience. This course is designed for individuals with a background in healthcare, research, or data management. Whether you're a clinician, researcher, medical student, or biostatistician, this course will help you enhance your skills in clinical research data management. No prior experience in data management is required. Prerequisites. A basic understanding of medical terminology, like blood pressure and common diseases, and research concepts such as data types and research protocols is recommended. Comfort with internet applications, including forms and surveys, will also be helpful. No prior experience required. No experience with clinical data tools, the data management tools is needed. This course will guide you through the application, which is an accessible platform used for designing data collection instruments. Course. Activities. Expect weekly video lessons, interactive guest lectures, and practical tutorials in clinical data tools. Assignments and quizzes will help reinforce the topics and tools covered during each week. Assignments focus on using clinical data tools to create and test data collection forms. Additional resources, course discussions, a reference wiki, and our YouTube learning platforms at Learning Path Mentor will provide you with continuous support and updates throughout the course. Defining clinical research and data management. In this section, we'll explore the key concepts and terminology essential to understanding clinical research and data management. Clinical research defined. Clinical research involves studies conducted with human participants, designed to answer questions about diseases, treatments, and health outcomes. It includes observational studies and clinical trials aimed at testing new therapies, diagnosing methods, or disease prevention strategies. Translational research. This process connects discoveries from the laboratory to real-world healthcare applications, ultimately benefiting patients and communities. Importantly, research insights can flow in both directions. Patient research may lead to new questions for laboratory studies. Research teams. Successful clinical research relies on collaboration between a variety of professionals. Data managers play a central role in ensuring that the data collected is accurate, secure, and usable for study conclusions. Their efforts are critical to the success of clinical trials. Patient-centered research. In clinical trials, participants often volunteer with the altruistic goal of advancing medical knowledge and improving future healthcare outcomes. Understanding how to collect and manage this data is essential to achieving those goals. Defining the space data management in clinical research. In this segment, we'll clarify fundamental concepts such as data management and clinical research types and set expectations for the course topics. Data management lifecycle. Data management includes the entire process of data collection, organization, analysis, and storage. We'll explore the different types of data collection strategies used in clinical research, including surveys, case report forms, and electronic health records, or EHRs. Types of clinical studies. The key types of studies include observational research and clinical trials. Observational studies focus on tracking outcomes, while clinical trials test the efficacy of new treatments, drugs, or therapies. Ethical considerations and IRBs. Institutional Review Board, or IRB, approval is mandatory for all clinical studies involving human participants. The IRB ensures that studies meet ethical standards, including how data is collected and managed. Data collection tools. From paper-based forms to electronic surveys, we'll discuss how various tools are used to collect data efficiently and accurately. These tools are crucial in ensuring the validity of research findings. Course focus. This course will primarily cover the principles of data collection and management within clinical research. Advanced topics such as database architecture and statistical software will not be covered in detail, but will be explored from a foundational perspective. Course logistics, weekly structure. Each week you'll engage with video lectures, hands-on assignments, and quizzes. The course is designed to build your understanding step by step, ensuring that you not only learn the theory, but also gain practical experience. Course activities, weekly assignments, and quizzes will test your knowledge and help reinforce key concepts. Expect practical assignments where you will use clinical data tools to design data collection instruments, such as surveys and forms. Planning your research data collection. This section dives into the initial planning stages of data collection, including designing your strategy and selecting appropriate tools. Planning data collection strategy. We'll introduce methods for planning your data collection, including understanding the goals of the research, designing instruments to meet those goals, and ensuring data quality. Designing data collection instruments. You will learn how to develop and test effective surveys and forms that can be used in real-world clinical studies. Practical assignments. You will be tasked with creating sample survey questions and data collection tools that align with best practices. These assignments will help you understand how to translate research needs into functional data collection instruments. Key learning objectives. Understand the fundamentals of data management and clinical research. Learn how to design effective data collection tools for clinical studies. Gain practical experience using clinical data tools to manage research data. Develop skills to manage data throughout its life cycle, ensuring accuracy, security, and usability. Learning activity assessment. We aim to make our learning activities interactive and dynamic. To achieve this, we will host live discussions on our YouTube channel, where you'll be required to watch pre-recorded videos provided to you. After viewing, you will participate by responding to questions posed by our trained learning mentor. Each batch will be given a unique set of queries to ensure that the learning objectives of the session are effectively met. Your responses will be reviewed by our learning team, who will assess and provide feedback on each participant's contributions. This module sets the stage for your journey into the field of clinical research data management. We encourage your active participation in discussions and look forward to seeing you apply what you learn through hands-on assignments.